We suggest you pause this video often. It helps to study the slides.
In this segment, we will be discussing the female reproductive system. In contrast to males, all the reproductive organs of the female are inside her body, protected by her pelvis. The uterus, or womb, is a hollow muscular organ. It is about the size and shape of a pear turned upside down. The lining of the uterus is called the endometrium. The baby will implant in the endometrium and grow and develop inside the uterus until birth. The fallopian tubes are the passageways from the ovaries to the uterus. At the ends of the fallopian tubes are finger-like projections called fimbriae. The fimbriae picks up the egg when it is released from the ovary. There are 2 ovaries about the size of almonds, one lying on each side of the uterus. Ovaries contain the eggs, or ova. In contrast to boys, who are constantly making new sperm cells, girls are born with all the ova, or eggs, they will ever have. The neck of the uterus is called the cervix. Pockets of cells, called cervical crypts, line the cervix. These secrete a special fluid called mucus, which indicates when a woman can become pregnant. The opening of the cervix into the vagina is known as the cervical os. The vagina is the passageway from the uterus to the outside of the body. The normal healthy vagina is important in resisting infection. The vagina provides an environment which prevents disease-producing bacteria from growing. Also, the surface of the vagina responds to estrogen by becoming thickest and most protective near the time of ovulation. Externally, the female has several important genital structures which make up the vulva. The labia, which is Latin meaning lips, provide protection for these structures. The inner labia are smaller and more delicate. The outer, larger labia are covered with hair and provide the main protective covering. In contrast to boys who have one genital opening for both sperm and urine, there are 2 openings in the female genital area. One is the urethral opening from which urine is discharged, and the other is the opening from the vagina.